What is that?
Oh, is that a little ducky? Is that a little ducky? What else is in here? What
Hey,
else is in
Caitlin.
here?
That is wrong.
Oh, two duckies! Too cool! For your bath.
Hey, Caitlin, are you watching your brother or are you watching Dad?
Another ducky! Say, too cool, Dad.
Yeah, that is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Little duck.
Hi, Caitlin. You're all smiles.
What else do you got in here, Biggs? What else do you got in here? What's that? Pull that out. Oh, it's a bubble gun! Say yay, Bubbles! Yay, Bubbles! You say it. Mwah. Are these bubbles? Can you say yay, Bubbles?
And apple.
I'll open it. Let's see what else is in here. Pull something else out. Oh my goodness, can you get that?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
What is that, dude?
Handprint creation.
Oh, that was
Okay, we'll open these bubbles.
What do you have, Caitlin?
What else do you have in here though, Mike? What else do you have in here? Oh. Can you get stuff out? Pull it out. Pull it out. There you go. Oh, finger paint. Yay!
a bubble.
Bubbles, yeah.
Apple.
Oh, look at these. Water balloons. Yay!
Apple.
I'll open those, yeah. And look at your pumpkin book. You're going to have big pumpkins like that in your garden this year. Oh, and what's this? Magic paint coasters. Ooh, too cool. You can color. Can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa? Say thank you, Papa. Oh. Say thank you, Grandma. Oh, that was from Mommy's Daddy. Can you say Mommy's Daddy? Open? Okay. We're going to open our bubbles. Thank you.